moments of my time. You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me.
Hello everybody, and welcome back to a new ultimate laundry motivational video here in 2022. I'm so excited to be sharing some extreme all-day laundry motivation and kind of what my weekly laundry routine looks like in today's video. We are starting off with sorting all of the laundry. I gathered all of it throughout the house here, and I wanted to get it sorted into the baskets so that I could go ahead and get them washed.
To push myself to victory.
For me, I don't sort by color unless it is a brand new piece of clothing, then I will wash it separately. But other than that, I actually sort by the person who wears it. Let me know down below how you sort your clothes. Now that I have those two baskets of laundry downstairs ready to be thrown in the wash, one is already in and one is just waiting to be put in after the other one is done, it is time to go ahead and start folding this basket and another one that was already laying in the dryer. Yes, I know. It's bad, but bear with me. Laundry is honestly my absolute least favorite cleaning task and chore around the house. I don't mind washing and drying, but when it comes to actually folding and putting away, it is not my favorite thing to do. Let me know down below if you enjoy doing laundry.
And when I space out, I see the possibilities unfolding the way that I want. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory.
I just wanted to give you guys a nice friendly reminder that what you do around your home matters. And so I've been learning to really get better at folding, sorting, putting away my laundry, doing all the things in terms of laundry. I'm not gonna lie, my husband usually does a lot of our laundry, but he works shift work, and so I'm trying to get into a better routine. But in the summer, I usually do laundry once a week because that's just what works for our family. I will do a load of towels and swimwear and stuff like that, like almost daily in the summer. But when it comes to our actual clothes, I probably do, again, maybe 1 or 2 loads a week. Let me know down below, does your laundry routine change in the summer or is it the same year-round? But again, if you haven't been told lately, I just want you to know, again, what you do around your home matters, and more importantly, you matter. And so my number one goal with sharing cleaning and homemaking motivation here on YouTube is to truly get you up to tackle your mess and find joy in it. And know that you're cleaning along with a friend, because it is so much better to do things with a friend. We all know that. But I know not everyone is always told thank you around their home. And so let me be that person to say thank you for all that you do around your home. I know that you and your family will truly, truly appreciate what is done around your home. And so thank you for everything that you do.
I might be a bit selfish when you way too humble. Might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. 'Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. Or just the best you've ever had. 'Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster. When I'm with you, I feel different, like I'm brand new. Let's ignore it. Still, it feels just
Good morning. It is now the next day. Yesterday we ended up going to the beach for like 5 hours, and so laundry just kind of got put on the back burner, and that's okay. You got to learn to give yourself some grace when you are tackling the mess around the house, as long as you get right back into it and tackle it the next day. So today we're back at it, finishing up the laundry. I'm also filming another video, so I'm filming 2 in the same day today. But last night when we got home, I did switch over the laundry. Now I'm gonna go ahead and strip the bedding and start tackling all of that.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us too. Playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out.
So I did do some editing magic here, and I wanted to just kind of throw that out there. This literally did take me all day, and not even all day, but 2 days. And so yeah, when you're doing laundry, especially the bedding and stuff, it does take a lot more extra time. So I do try and plan when I wash our bedding. Obviously that's not always possible, especially with kids. I mean, the sheets get sandy, especially now that we're like in the summer months. And so sometimes it's not always possible, but I do try and plan it out to fit into our schedule. I also don't spend too much time making their beds, as they are both very particular with their bedding. Let me know down below if your kids are the same. You will notice when I am done making my oldest's bed, I just throw the stuffies on there because she always wants them a particular way, and it's just not worth it to me. And to be honest, I do not make their beds every day. I do not make them make their beds every day, because it just truly doesn't matter. They are going to be 3 and 5 here next month, although I do always make sure that our bed is made daily.
With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
When it comes to laundry detergents, in this video I was actually just using the Tide laundry pods, like the hyperallergenic ones, but I have recently switched over to a new natural brand, which I'm really excited about. So stay tuned and make sure that you are subscribed, as I will be sharing that in a future video. And let me know down below if you do like laundry motivational videos. I will link my playlist down below of all of my laundry motivation if you are needing more. I know this video is a little bit on the shorter side, but I just want to thank you for being here, and I hope that you are enjoying today's ultimate laundry motivation.
You are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Thank you so much for watching today's extreme laundry motivation. I hope that you guys got lots of laundry motivation watching today. Wash, dry, fold, repeat. that's how we roll. So anyway, that's all I have for you in today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cleaning and homemaking motivation, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.